Welcome to the Skilled MBA Social Enterprises Case Study Series. Today, we spotlight Ento Industries, a pioneer in sustainable innovation. By harnessing the power of black soldier flies, Ento Industries transforms food waste into high-value resources. This closed-loop system reduces landfill dependency while producing protein-rich animal feed and nutrient-dense organic fertilizer. Their model embodies the principles of a circular economy, where waste becomes wealth and environmental stewardship aligns with economic gain. It's a brilliant example of how sustainability and profitability can work hand in hand. Ento Industries employs black soldier flies to transform food waste into valuable resources, exemplifying sustainable innovation. Their circular economy model not only reduces waste, but also generates economic value. This approach highlights the potential for scalable solutions in waste management, offering insights into strategic growth and environmental impact. Singapore imports over 90% of its food supply, yet generates around 744,000 tons of food waste annually. With limited land for disposal, most waste is incinerated, exacerbating the carbon footprint. Addressing these challenges is crucial for sustainable waste management and environmental conservation. Incinerating food waste in Singapore releases significant greenhouse gases, exacerbating climate change. This waste also squanders resources like water, energy, and labor, leading to an annual economic loss of approximately $342 million. Traditional disposal methods miss the opportunity to reclaim valuable nutrients, which could be repurposed effectively. Nathaniel Phua founded Ento Industries in 2024 to tackle Singapore's waste issues. By developing a black soldier fly farm, he aimed to valorize food waste, creating a circular economic model. Leveraging Tiong Lam's expertise, Phua sought to revolutionize waste management practices, turning waste into valuable resources. The black soldier fly is a remarkable recycler. In its adult stage, it lives 5 to 8 days, focusing on reproduction without feeding. During the larval stage, it processes twice its body weight in food waste daily. After 14-16 days, larvae pupate, transitioning to adulthood, completing a sustainable waste-to-value cycle. In Singapore, food waste is collected from various sources like restaurants and markets. Black soldier fly larvae efficiently consume this waste, rapidly growing while decomposing organic matter. Once mature, larvae are harvested and processed into protein meal and oil. The remaining frass is utilized as a high-quality organic fertilizer, completing the waste-to-value cycle. Insect protein, with a 60-65% protein content, offers a sustainable alternative for aquaculture and poultry feed, reducing reliance on traditional fish meal. It is valued at $400-600 per kilogram. Additionally, organic fertilizer from black soldier fly frass enhances soil health with nitrogen and phosphorus, meeting organic farming demands at $150-250 per kilogram. Ento Industries revolutionizes waste management by utilizing black soldier flies to efficiently process waste, creating valuable byproducts in a circular system. This approach contrasts with Tiong Lam's traditional method of drying food waste into fish feed, which had moderate efficiency and a higher carbon footprint. The future holds potential for fully automated systems and expanded capacity across Southeast Asia. Navigating startup challenges involves addressing talent acquisition in Singapore's service-focused economy, balancing production capacity with waste input, and ensuring optimal breeding conditions. Significant capital is needed for automation and expansion. Additionally, adapting to evolving regulations on insect farming and novel feed ingredients is crucial for sustainable growth. Automating farming systems can significantly boost capacity and cut labor costs. Scaling operations allows for more efficient waste processing. Developing new product lines beyond feed and fertilizer diversifies offerings. Expanding into Southeast Asian markets opens new growth avenues. Ento Industries must explore training programs with educational institutions to build a skilled workforce. Prioritizing automation technology investments can reduce labor dependency and boost processing capacity. Strategic partnerships with food suppliers and waste management firms are crucial for consistent waste input. Positioning products against traditional alternatives is key for maximizing market penetration and achieving a price premium. Ento Industries initiates a circular economy by collecting food waste, which is transformed by black soldier fly larvae into valuable biomass. This process yields high-protein insect meal and nutrient-rich fertilizer, creating dual revenue streams. These sustainable products re-enter the economy, minimizing environmental impact and exemplifying circular principles. Nature-based solutions offer innovative ways to tackle urban waste, transforming it into valuable resources. Strategic partnerships drive sustainable growth, while scalable local solutions can be applied globally, enhancing urban sustainability. Embracing circularity, waste is reimagined as a resource, fostering a sustainable future. Thank you for joining us at Skilled MBA. Explore innovative sustainability solutions with us. Contact us at support@skilledmba.com or visit our website skilledmba.com for more information.